Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change the created date on any PDF file. Let's get right into it. First, open your File Explorer and find the PDF file you want to edit. Once you've found it, simply right-click on the file and select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the Properties window, navigate to the Details tab at the top. Look down towards the bottom of the window and click on the link that says Remove Properties and Personal Information. A new window will appear. Here, choose the first option. Create a copy with all possible properties removed. Once you've selected that, click OK. Windows will instantly create a brand new copy of your PDF in the exact same folder. If you right-click this new file, go to Properties and check the Details tab, you will see that the created date now reflects the current date and time. And that's it, a fast, built-in way to update the creation date on your PDF without any third-party software. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more technical tips and straightforward guides. Thanks for watching.